So this is how we can uninstall OneDrive from your Android phone. Let me talk about it and let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so it kind of depends on how it was set up to begin with, right? Because if you have it stored on your phone, like if you get inside your apps and find the OneDrive, you can see which account you are signed in. And now you should pay attention to the files, and if you want to save something to your local storage before we uninstall it, or if you just want to remove it, right? Because the best way would be to just, of course, delete it as every other app. Hold down on it and click on the ability to disable it. Right, so it depends on the phone. On some of the devices, it has been like pre-installed, so you can click on disable, and it's gonna be like turned off and it's not going to work anymore. Outside of that, you should also pay attention to the accounts, because if you go to the settings and scroll through the available options, you can find the accounts and a backup menu. And in there, by clicking on manage accounts, you can access all of the accounts which you used for various different services. And in my case, I also have the OneDrive. And when I click on it, I also need to remove the account. So it's not going to be like enough to uninstall or remove the app. It's also a good idea to like remove the account if I used it before. So that's how I could approach this. I really hope that I was able to guide you through it. But if there are some more thoughts or questions about it, leave them below. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.